Today I'm going to show you how to do a bird whistle. So you need a bird and water. So you need to dip your bird in the water and the bubbles stop, come out. But then put your mouth on it, blow really hard. Then it will make noise like this. But it sounds like that noise. You need to add more water. But it's all filled up.
Oh, no, it's not working.
But it still sounds like that noise. And that's what the bubbles get with it. It needs to be like that to get it ready. Then you put your mouth on it and blow really hard. That's how you do a bird whistle. Bye.